Hello students, welcome to Standard 4th, Subject Science, Lesson number 7, How Plants Survive. Let's revise our previous topics. In the previous topic, we have learned about insectivorous plants and non-green plants. Insectivorous plants. Some plants are carnivorous in nature. Their leaves are modified to trap insects and hence they are known as insectivorous plants. Venus flytrap and pitcher plant are examples of such plants. Non-green plants. Plants such as Indian pipe and coral root are non-green plants because they do not have chlorophyll. Plants that cannot make their own food and absorb nutrients from dead plants and animals are called saprophytic plants. Today we will talk about the importance of plants. Every day we use things made from plants in some form or the other. Plants are very useful to us. Let's check in this video.
We always say that the plants are very important for all of us. But do you know why they are important or how important they are? What all things do plants give us? I think you all must be knowing that most of our food like fruits, vegetables, grains like rice, wheat, pulses like gram, beans, and tea, coffee, sugar, and spices come from the plants. Apart from these, plants are useful to us in many more ways. Let us look at some of these. You all must be familiar with the coconut oil. And if you're thinking that this oil is made up of coconut, then you are right. Like coconut oil, some other oils which we use for cooking are also made from plants. For example, the groundnut oil, mustard oil, soya bean oil, olive oil, etc. Besides the food, we use some plants as medicines like tulsi or basil, and oil from the eucalyptus tree are used as cure for cold and cough. Jute bags, ropes, sacks, and mats are made by fibers we get from the jute plant. Like in the story, the jute plant gave Sona the jute bag to keep her school books. What clothes you like to wear in summers? Cotton clothes. Our comfortable cotton clothes are made of fibers which we get from the cotton plant. Like in the story, the grandmother was spinning cotton to get cotton yarn out of which clothes are made. Do you like the fragrance of rose or jasmine flower? The fragrance of these flowers is very nice. So perfumes are made out of them. Good smelling soaps also use flowers. Like rose and jasmine, there are some more plants which have beautiful leaves and flowers. We use them to beautify our homes, gardens, and offices. These are called as ornamental plants, like ornaments or jewelry. Are your studies possible without trees? Hmm, you might be thinking how trees are coming in studies, right? No, the studies is not possible. The chairs on which you sit and the table on which you keep your books is made from the wood of the trees. Not just table and chairs, the doors and windows, all the furniture is made from the wood. Wood of trees like teak, oak, bamboo, etc. are used to make furniture. Like in the story, the oak tree gave Sona a wooden table and a carriage for her horse Tufan to drive. Do you know that all your books, notebooks, and all type of papers are made from the plants? Paper is made from the bamboo plant. Like in the story, the bamboo plant gave Sona many notebooks for the school. Similarly, rubber tree gives us rubber which is used to make eraser for your pencils. Even the tires of the cars, buses are made of rubber. In the story, Sona was happy to receive rubber slippers from the rubber tree. The gum or glue which is used to stick paper is obtained from the stem of the kikar or acacia tree. But oh, sharpener we don't get from that tree. Plants are also useful to animals. Many animals eat plants as food, like goat. Trees are also home to many animals. Monkeys, squirrels live on trees. The birds make their nest on the trees. The wood from plants is used as a fuel for cooking from the ancient times. Many people still use wood as a fuel for their cooking. Now you know how important the plants are.
Let's recap. We all depend on plants. Plants are very useful to us as they provide a lot of things such as food items, paper, gums, paints, and medicines. Plants are the best places of shelter for animals. Trees give us wood for making furniture. So, here we have finished our lesson number 7, How Plants Survive. Until now, you have learned about different types of plants and uses of plants. Hope you all have understood. Now it's your turn to revise this lesson. Let's check your homework of the previous topic. Your today's homework is to write any 5 uses of plants in your notebook. Thank you.